Cambridge International Level Sociology, the family.
What is family diversity in the context of social change? Family diversity refers to the wide range of family structures, relationships, and arrangements that exist within a society. This diversity is shaped by various factors, including cultural norms, socio-economic conditions, legal frameworks, and individual choices. Family diversity is closely linked to social change, as shifts in societal attitudes, values, and structures influence the ways in which families are formed and maintained. Here are some key aspects of family diversity in the context of social change. Changing family structures. Traditional notions of the family as consisting of a heterosexual, married couple with children have given way to a diverse array of family structures. This includes single-parent families, blended families, cohabiting couples, same-sex couples, multi-generational households, and chosen families formed through friendship or kinship ties. Social changes such as increasing divorce rates, declining marriage rates, and greater acceptance of non-traditional family arrangements have contributed to the diversification of family structures. Economic factors, such as financial instability and housing affordability, also influence family living arrangements. Shifting gender roles and relationships. Changes in gender roles and expectations have transformed family dynamics and relationships. Women's increased participation in the workforce, advancements in reproductive technologies, and shifting cultural attitudes towards gender equality have led to more egalitarian partnerships and diverse caregiving arrangements within families. This shift challenges traditional patriarchal norms and has implications for division of labor, decision-making processes, and power dynamics within families. Cultural and ethnic diversity. Family diversity is influenced by cultural and ethnic norms, traditions, and practices. Different cultural groups may have distinct family structures, kinship systems, and values regarding marriage, child rearing, and intergenerational relationships. Immigration, globalization, and multiculturalism contribute to the diversity of family forms within societies, as individuals and families bring their cultural beliefs and practices into new social contexts. Legal and policy changes. Legal and policy changes, such as the recognition of same-sex marriage, adoption rights for LGBTQ+ individuals, and reforms in family law, have expanded the possibilities for diverse family formations and relationships. These changes reflect evolving social attitudes and promote greater inclusivity and equality within families and communities. However, legal frameworks can also shape and constrain family diversity, as policies related to marriage, divorce, reproductive rights, immigration, and social welfare may privilege certain family forms over others. Overall, family diversity reflects the dynamic and complex nature of contemporary societies, where individuals and families navigate diverse social, economic, and cultural contexts in shaping their familial relationships and arrangements. Embracing and understanding this diversity is essential for promoting inclusivity, equity, and social justice within families and across society.